Alright, what's up everyone? I'm back here with another video, a little discussion video, come up with some solutions to guys who have keypads on their truck now, or if they switch the door or whatever, and you got a keypad on your 7.3 truck or even your 03 or 0460. What are the solutions to getting it to work? What have I found? I've researched a couple of different things, so let me show you what I found. So obviously, my truck right here, I put an 08 door on it because my old doors were a little rusty on the bottom, and this one has the keypad in it, which is not hooked up to anything. None of it works. And the question is, like, how do you get these things to work? People ask it in this one forum I'm in a lot, and that's actually why I'm making this video, is to kind of answer that question. But these keypads, if you've looked at a lot of trucks, you'll notice that they're only on excursions, at least for the 7.3s, they're only on excursions. They're not on the pickup truck, so that kind of limits your options there with everything and kind of running wires through, and it hooks into this thing called the vehicle security module, or if it's an older one, it'd be the gem. But now obviously with a pickup truck, it doesn't have this keypad here at all, or it's not wired for it or anything. So how do you kind of go about doing that without doing a whole wire harness, getting a new vehicle security module, all that stuff, and figuring all of that out? There's a couple solutions actually. There's one which I have found, and a lot of other people have found. Ford makes this aftermarket keypad. It looks kind of ugly compared to this one. It sticks up here or wherever you want to put it. It actually kind of acts like a key fob, so that when you click it, you get the right code in, the aftermarket one. It'll send a pulse to the vehicle security modules. It'll basically act like you hitting the unlock button on your key fob, open the doors, and you'll be able to get in. But problem is, what if you don't even have a truck that has a vehicle security module, like mine for instance? I don't have a vehicle security module. This truck just was kind of a bare bones one without that option. So if you have that, then you're really in a tough situation like I am, because you don't even have a security module made up to with a fob or anything. I have to unlock it with the key every time. So that limits your solution. If you're in my position, you're gonna have to probably get a vehicle security module, change the harness out and everything. That's a pain in the butt. And now, how do you know if you even have a vehicle security module? It's a simple solution. Don't mind my steering wheel being off here. I am doing work all the time, and you guys know that by now. But this is how you figure out if you have a vehicle security module. You put the key in, or there's like a couple different procedures with shutting the door or whatever, but to my experience, doesn't really matter. You cycle the key quickly, like 8 times. And then if you have it, it'll cycle the door locks. You'll hear them go up, they'll go ding, ding. And then you know that you have a vehicle security module because it'll be in the programming mode for you to get a key fob to work for it. And that would work with your keypad, the aftermarket one or whatever, but that's the deal with that. But this is for the guys who have the vehicle security module already in the truck, and they have key fobs. That aftermarket one is a fine solution if you don't really care what it looks like up here. I mean, it's kind of ugly in my opinion compared to this one. Now the other solution I found, I've been researching this for a long time, and I found this discreet website. They make this switch that looks, this keypad, it looks exactly like this one down here. It's like identical to it, and it's close. It's like really close to this identical thing. So I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna show you the website, and I think it's like $100, but it's like a standalone unit sort of thing, and I'm curious to see what you guys think about it. Alright, so we'll come down here to my workstation. It's all messy and stuff, I'm working on things, but I'm actually going to bring you into a screen recording here of my laptop. I'm going to show you this website and what the product is that I think is potentially capable of helping a lot of guys if it's the right thing. But once again, this is more of like a discussion video, so I'm going to give you my thoughts on it and kind of thing. Alright guys, so we'll come down to my computer screen here, and you can see the product right here. It's a wireless, waterproof, keyless entry keypad, and I'll come in and I'll click on it. I'll click on it, and here it is right here. Let me just pull my face back up, but here it is right here. You can see right off the bat, it looks pretty close to the one that's in your on the door, like that would be from factory. It looks very close, with the exception of these buttons. They're a little bit green. ish and the numbers aren't the same, but I have a quick solution for that too. We'll come over in this eBay tab I have here. They make these little stickers that can go over top. So I put these two together, two and two together basically, and now if you put these stickers over top, you can get them on eBay. I'll throw links to both these things up on the description of this video. You can put those buttons, the stickers on the buttons here, and I think you can get away with it looking like a factory key switch. Now, this one's another wireless one. It's sort of like the aftermarket one that everybody tosses around the idea of throwing on their truck. That's kind of ugly in my opinion. But this one is also wireless, and it comes with a module, I believe, if you come in the PDF. There's like directions for wiring it up and stuff, and there's like a little thing you'll see down here. I think it comes with like a module or something, or you got to wire it up. This is the part that I'm confused about, more of making this a discussion video, but this module, I mean, if you want to get it, I guess, and wire it up according to this, then I guess that solves some problems. But I was thinking, what if you just skip all this module thing, and possibly if this keypad can act like the aftermarket one, that it would just go into programming mode in the truck, cycle a key 8 times or whatever it is, and then you hit the buttons on these, and it'll send a pulse like the other one. If you haven't seen the other one, I'll pull it up too real quick. Just type in like F250 keypad. This is the one I'm talking about, this wireless one. If it would act like this, I'm curious to see. Just let it pull up here. Yeah, I'm curious to see if it would act like this keypad here, but in the form of this one. That's something that obviously I can't try because I don't have a vehicle security module, so I'm putting this video out there as somebody, if they want a keypad solution, this could possibly be one. This is just something that I kind of brainstormed. I searched this up over a year ago. I came up with this page. This took me hours to find this because I was looking all over. I was like, somebody's got to have a solution to this, but apparently there is no solution to the keypad thing. So this is where we're at. I think this could possibly be a viable product with these stickers. Once again, if you just put them over top, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. I think it looks close enough. And then that's just kind of where you'd be at, and then follow the instructions for this one and maybe see if it works. I'm sure there's like some description or instructions that come along with this one, or you can find them online, which if I do, I'll put the link in the description. But I know for a fact that these work with they're like a key fob. So basically, that's what I'm trying to say here, is just make this like a key fob, see if this one works, and then worst comes to worst, I guess if you contact this company and get that module, this could possibly be a solution to the keypad thing. And it could also be a solution to if you don't have a vehicle security module like I don't. It seems to me that you'd be able to wire this in almost like a aftermarket system or something, but yeah. And yeah, guys, that's my solution to this keypad thing. That's kind of going to wrap up the video, but I just wanted to give you some ideas and some things to brainstorm about and some possible strategies if you want to get the keypad working in your 7.3 truck after you swap it or whatever, or even if you just have a keypad on it, or if you have a 6-liter that also doesn't have a keypad. This is another solution. Rather than going in there and messing with all the wires and doing all that stuff, changing out a wire harness or whatever, these seem like easier solutions to me, at least. So I think it has potential, that keypad switch, to be worked into something. And then even maybe if you had to buy both of them, you could take one apart and put them into one and make it work. But like I said, I've never ordered it. I haven't had it. I don't know what it does, or if it would work. But just solutions, just a discussion video. If there's something you guys to think out. Yeah, that's going to conclude the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.